In this episode, we're going to be showing you a spa suite here on deck number 17 forward on the Carnival Celebration. We're going to show you all around. We think you're going to love it. Coming up. Okay, a spa suite here on board the Carnival Celebration. This is room 17229. It's on deck 17, obviously at the front of the ship. Let's go inside and check it out. So one thing about the Carnival Celebration, it is all new, and this room is definitely very spacious. Let's start in this area here. First of all, you have all this neat decor, the great colors. You have the little lounge sitting area. And then, as you'll find throughout the staterooms here on the Carnival Celebration, you have these little reading lamps. So, if you want to just take in some reading, need a little extra light, or if you just want to be in the spotlight for a while, well, they have you taken care of. You've got the table here, good place to lounge, and then you have the bed setups here on board. Now, this one is set up with two of the twin size beds. They can also set it up with a king size bed, so there's different options they have there. But again, the same thing, plenty of storage that they have with the beds. If this was a king setup, they would instead have one of these tables on each side. The lights here, they're controlled right there where you can have the little extra lighting you have. And again, you have those little lamps that you have available. Actually, it's been a long day. I may just kick back here and take a little nap, but Kelly's gonna crack the whip and put me to work. We're gonna go ahead now. I'm gonna show you on the balcony, then we'll come back in and show you the other side of the room. The balcony, one thing that used to get us on these doors is how do you get outside of these things? But this little bar flips all the way around. You pull that back, and it is a very spacious balcony. We're here on board the Carnival Celebration. We're here in Miami. A bit of a rainy day, but Kelly, you can step on around there. This is a very, very spacious balcony. So for Kelly and I, a cup of coffee out here on the balcony, any cruise is going to be a great cruise. But look, we're loving this. But look, there's a lot more in the room, so let's go outside and check it out. Watch your step, Kelly, as you come in. So we've got the TV that they have here close to all of the beds here inside the staterooms. You can lay in bed, you can enjoy that. They also have the nice little mirror they have here with the lighting accent around that controlled here. And one thing that we love about the Excel class ships is they have plenty of electrical outlets plus the USB outlets as well, so you're well taken care of there. Plenty of space where Kelly can sit here, get ready for the evening, and I can be somewhere where it's safe, so I don't have to be too close to all of that. They have a great fridge in each of the staterooms as well. Oh, where do you open this thing? There we go. So they've got that, and then again, plenty of storage. They've got all these various drawers. Got your hair dryer in case you want to leave yours at home. They definitely have you covered. Drawers up here as well, so plenty there. Then you've got the standard 3 different closets they have, but these are a little different on board the Excel class ships. For one, you have these wire rackings, which Kelly loves. She loves all of that. Plenty of shelving to get all your stuff laid out. Got the hangers. Over here on the middle part, you've got more of the same. Got your robes, because again, this is a spa suite, so they have you hooked up some extras if you happen to book one of these staterooms. And then here in this final closet, you have, again, some more space, some more drawers, but you also have your safe. But then one of our favorite parts is we love how they have done the bathroom difference here on board the Excel class ships, the Carnival Celebration. And Kelly, you can come in here and check it out and everything. One thing we love is the showers are so much nicer than having that old shower curtain. They have the glass showers. They're really nice, sort of trendy kind of wood look, and you've got the sinks, so that's just all really cool. Again, tons of storage to keep all your stuff organized. So look, we're loving it. So Kelly, what did you think about the spa suite here on board the Carnival Celebration?
It is a great cabin, and don't forget, when you book a spa cabin, you also get all of the benefits of the spa. For example, you'll get discounted treatments at the spa, you get to use the thermal suite, and a lot of other little nice extras.
So if you happen to be staying in a spa suite on board the Carnival Celebration, we think you're going to love your time. In fact, Kelly and I, we think we could just stay here and not leave. But there's so much to share with you here on board the Carnival Celebration. We have loads of more tours, so be sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. And we'll catch you in the next video.